Oh my god, it's trading week. It's the first day. Woo, we got Saturday. We got all the way to next Saturday until it ends. Woo! But I don't have any fidgets. Maybe there's so many around in the trading hub. I'm gonna go there. What's that? Ooh, ew. What's this? Wait, it's a monkey noodle. This could get me somewhere. But I don't think anyone really wants this. But let's keep going. What's that? Whoa. Oh. Wait, what the heck? Wait, how is this a fidget anyways? This literally... I'll go trade someone. I really want to trade someone for this. Trading pink preppy cube. Going once. Going twice. Oh, me. I will trade you. I can trade you this. This really cool fidget thingy. Guys, I'm gonna scam her because I don't think she'll fall for this. It'll be okay. I'll scam her. And she will not get a clue. I'll trade you this. You said you're gonna trade me that? Ain't no way I'm gonna trade that. I'll put this in the trading thing, but you need to give me something better than those two ugly fidgets. But plus, this is really, really rare. Did you not know, you Dumbo? It's really rare. Like, you're lucky I'm trading you this. This is literally ultimate rare. You can pop in, like, the whole thingy, the middle, and you can flip and pop like that. And it's so cool. I think you should trade it, but in all honesty, yeah. And I'll put this too if you pick yours. Well, actually, it's really rare, so I'm gonna put this plain, glittery, whatever. I'll put them too. Here you go. You can take them. Accept, definitely. See the fidget? She scammed me. What is this deflating? And there's even a hole that deflates it. You're joking me? And this is all hairy. You're probably from her bathroom. Ugh. Give my fidgets back. No, not anymore. No trade backs. Woo! Okay, so I've got this glittery red fidget, but I don't know what I could do with that. Trading this pink dumpling only for red fidgets because, yeah, who wants it? Who wants it? I think that girl does because she's just coming closer to me. Hey, girl, come. Wait. Oh, coming. Hi. Hi, would you like to offer for my lovely pink squishy? I'll give it if you only have any red squishies, but it's clear to me that you only have a pink cube and, like, the other one's not red. Oh my god, generally, this is red. Look, I've got red. Wait, oh my god, yes, of course, please, because I'm trying to do this challenge where I need all red. So, yeah, here, you can take it. I accept. Accept. Oh, let me just take this off. Accept. Here you go. Thank you. Yes, now I got 2 pink fidgets. Now I'm like girly fidget themed.
Hello there, I will give you a challenge to collect 10 pink fidgets to complete. And if you do it, I will give the winner a prize in return.
Woo! I'm already nearly there though because I got 2 pinks and I need 10, not 10, 8 more. That's terrible, but we'll find it. We'll find it. Trading this ugly orangey yellow fidget for free. Who wants? Oh my goodness me, please. Give me it right now. Calm your horses. Here, take it. You can have it for free. See ya. Bye. Thank God she took it from me. Yes. I could trade because I don't want to get rid of that or that, but I could trade with this orange fidget. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 9, 10. Oh my god, girl, please, can I like, trade with you? Only for pink things though, can't lie. You always do that. Alright, I will give you this nice orange stress ball. It's really rare. Do you want it? Ew, a nacho cheese ball? Ugh, no way. It's not, this is really rare, Please, if you take this, you'll be a billionaire and it'll make you go far. That's true, if I got this, I'll go miles. So I recommend you take it, but what do you think?